Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW A70, and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So let's first launch the Google application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner, then go to the settings section and tap to the Google Assistant. After that scroll a little bit down and find the general options. After that, just to turn on the Google Assistant feature, you should click here only once on this feature and then to confirm your changes by click to turn on. And that's it. Now Google Assistant feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.